Hi guys, so here we have a mini one in electric blue. The rear bumper's cracked, so we're going to plastic weld it. At the moment I'm just using a soldering iron to melt the plastic. DAing down the area. There's a slight dent on top which I'm trying to push down. It doesn't actually work, so I end up filling that too. Cleaning it down with panel wipe. Using some fiberglass filler. When the crack is very small, you can plastic weld it like this. If it's bigger or to the end of a bumper, then ideally you need to do a different process, or just replace the bumper. This one's okay though. Second layer of fiberglass. Rubbing this down, using 240 here, before it was 120. Blowing out all the dust, just to reshaping the towing eye so the cap fits back in properly. Going for the dolphin glaze now. Rub this down, start with 240, then go to 360, then 500, then 800. If you want to watch more videos from Car Cosmetics, subscribe, click the bell.
We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made
Just do it in different directions. Minimum of 2 different directions, 3 ideally. So up and down, left and right, and swirls. And then cleaning it, making sure it's absolutely clean and nothing's coming off onto the cloth. That makes sure that there's no dust layer separating the paint, the primer to the bodywork. If you like this video, give it a like.
We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all
It's time to mask up now.
feels right. Stuck in a net,
Do this correctly, it takes time.
but it still feels right. Even the words can stay. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Still feels right.
It's like this kind of repair, you could go one step further and take the bumper off. Obviously that's adding even more to the cost of the repair. And ideally not something that could be then done mobile. Because once it's been painted, it would then need to dry for minimum of 24 hours to 48 hours before being able to replace it back to the car. The paint is, when completed, touch dry, but it will take longer to harden. Right, we're ready for the primer. Etch primer first, and then high build on that on top. And let it dry for 10 minutes with the etch, and the high build takes 40 minutes to dry. A note should always panel wipe, keeping things clean, no dust. Guide coat to enable me to get a smooth finish. Rubbing down with 500 here. Then it'll be 800 in Scotch again. Panel wiping again, keeping it clean. If you like this video, please leave a like. This paint covers quite well actually. It's a nice colour. Putting the 29 cap back in. There was no damage on that, so I took it out so to keep it simple. Tacking each time, making sure all the dust is off. Going for the first layer of lacquer now. 10 minutes for that to dry. Now going for the top coat, really thick one. Take the soft edge off so nothing sticks to it. And after 10-20 minutes, then remove all the paper.
She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath.
And once all the paper is removed, let it dry for a further 20 minutes.
I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice. We're way past second guessing. And I want you now. Just shut your mouth and kiss me. It can get lonely.
Now just cleaning up the bumper. I had to use panel wipe on there. It kind of removes a top layer. I end up having to paint it.
She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's close.
But it makes a difference, this. This is a actual textured bumper paint.
And I want you now. Yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me in the parking lot, in the backseat.
Doing this in stages because the paint is still wet. Well, not wet, but it's not fully dried. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Just polishing off a bit of the paint from the bumper. Just come straight off. Last bit here, done. And there we go.